Hi everyone. So today we are going to design this subscribe button for our YouTube channel. So this button is going to be play like this, and we are going to design this button in Canva for free. How we will design this subscribe button? So let's start. First of all, open your home screen of Canva and then click on videos and then select video. And now we are having some subscribe button already, and if you want to check that predefined subscribe button, then click on elements and write down subscribe button here. It will show you some options that you can insert on your video, but if you are not working in Canva and you are editing on any other platform and you want to insert that subscribe button with green screen that can be removed in any editing software, and you want to design that subscribe button, for that you have to follow some steps that I'm going to tell you. So do not skip the video and watch all the video till the end. So let's start. First of all, you have to write down subscribe here. So for that you want a shape, and for inserting a shape in the element section you have to write down shapes here. By default you will be able to see these lines and shapes option. You can click on this option also. You have to click on this see all option and just select the square with the rounded corner. Just click on that and then drag the handles and make this square as a rectangle. Okay, drag the handles as much as you want, and now I'm going to change the color of this rectangle by clicking on this color option, and I want red color. So for that I'm going to click on this option. This color is not proper red, so I'm going to change this color shade little bit. So I'm changing this color as in proper red, and now I'm going to insert the text. Click on text option and then click on add a heading. As I want to write down subscribe here, so I'm writing subscribe, and now I'm going to change the case of this subscribe. I'm going to convert this subscribe in uppercase, and now I'm going to change the color of the text as white. So this way I have made the half of the subscribe button here, and I'm going to place on the left side of this rectangle. Now I need a bell animation. So in the element section you have to write down bell animation. So write down bell animation and click on see all. You will find some animation of bell. I want white color bell, so I have inserted that, and I'm decreasing the size of this bell icon, and I'm going to place this bell on the rightmost corner and in the center also. So this way I'm going to place this bell, and now I want a click animation. So I'm just changing the text bell animation to click animation, and this will show me some click option. So select any option that you like the most. So I like this hand option, so I have selected this one, and I'm going to place this hand option below the button of subscribe like this. And I want some more animation. I want to add some animation on this subscribe button also. So for that I'm going to group these three elements: the box, the subscribe text, and the bell. So I have selected these three elements, and I'm going to group these elements. Now I will change the position of this grouped element at the back, because the hand is moving at the back of the button, but I want the hand icon on the front of the button. So I'm going to change the position as to back. So this way hand is appearing on the button, and now I will apply some animation on this button by clicking on animate option, And there is one option that I like the most, that is pop option. So this way my button will pop, and you can try another options also that you will be having for free. I like this option pop. Okay, and now I'm going to select all the elements like this, and I'm placing all the elements in the center, and I'm going to group all the elements. Now I can increase and decrease the button size as I want. But if you want, or if you want to download this button, always download with the green screen. And for the green screen, or if you want to insert the green color background at the back of this page, you have to select this page. First click on the white area of this page, and then click on this background color option, and then choose the green option. If you are not satisfied with this green color shade, just change the shade of this green color as I'm changing, because I want a bright green. So this way I have changed the shade of the green color, and this is one element, and I can place this element anywhere at any time, and I can place this button on the video that I will create in future for YouTube. And this green color can be removed in any editing software, as I always record my videos in Filmora, and this green color can also be easily removed in Filmora. So if you want to learn how to remove the green color, just comment me in the comment box. I will teach you in the next video. So I think this option is that I have taught you in my today's video are clear to you. If you have liked my video, just click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.